Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm in Italy with my mom Gigi, my dad, Lily, and my nephew Luke. You may recognize me from my sister Lily's YouTube channel. Together, we own Grace and Joy Clothing Company. Right now, you are watching Chloe Simone Says. Hope you like this video and please subscribe. Buonasera. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. Bye bye, Positano. We have left Positano and we're sad.
Everyone we met was so
You miss
nice.
Positano?
But
Rome,
I'm ready to get home. I've been gone 2 months.
Milan.
Goodbye, Positano. Goodbye, Positano. We will miss you.
Sing it, baby,
No, I
sing it.
can't carry a tune in a bucket.
We have arrived in Napoli and now I'm just surrounded by our massive amounts of luggage that we have. I don't know how we're gonna get all of this back to Rome. We're about to take the train to Rome and then it's our last night. We all leave tomorrow. Sad, but it has been a great trip. So this video is brought to you by Grace and Joy Clothing Company, our clothing store that I own with Gigi and Lily. And right now I am wearing the Carly Leisure pant, made from a really soft velour fabric, a jogger style pant. So it cinches at the ankle, has a nice stretchy waistband. It's really great to travel with. And I paired it with the Seashell Bomber Jacket by Ivco. This jacket is all handmade in Serbia. I love how the colors go together with this velour pant. And you can shop my whole outfit on www.shopgraceandjoy.com. And you can even use the code SHOPJOY20 for 20% off. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's return to the program. We made it on the train. Miracle if we don't lose any of this luggage.
We're not getting it lost. Don't put that out there. Don't put that out there. I've never actually had a piece of luggage lost ever.
I've lost a piece of luggage. I left it at the airport. We had to drive back an hour and a half to pick it up.
That's different. You lost it.
And that was another time we were traveling with 7 suitcases because we were doing a trade show and I left it at the airport. We had to drive all the way back to the airport. It was sweet. Like,
Luke wants to say something. What do you think about this?
are you helping with all the luggage, Luke?
I ride the treasures.
His favorite part is the ice cream, that's for sure. What's your favorite? He loves vanilla ice cream. He's a purist, right?
Yeah, vanilla soft. I like the taste of it.
I'm just happy we're not in that car anymore. I was so car sick. They were taking pictures and I was behind a tree throwing up.
We were getting our photos taken.
And the driver was, he was so nice.
Let's talk about the Chloe was saying that the Italian men are so well groomed. And that's in comparison to those hillbilly Idaho what was it called?
Moonshine.
Moonshiners out there in northern Idaho. Those Unabombers. I guess you can.
Actually, my husband, he goes and gets
Most
his
people
hair
don't even
done.
know what the Unabomber is.
I don't know what it is.
You don't know who the Unabomber is?
No.
Look it up.
If I could
They're
wink,
not
I would.
Actually, winking is not good.
I can't even wink. Can you wink? Wow, you have a really good wink. I look like an idiot when I wink. Look. Because I can't close, my eyes don't close all the way.
Can you wink?
Yes.
Oh! Try it again. Can you wink with it? Luke, let's see your wink. Give it to me. Full on. Oh. Okay, we are on, what's it called? What is it called when you're unpacking or doing an unboxing? Unboxing Lily's. I have some other gems in here.
Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow, you looked really good with blonde hair.
No. Well, back then maybe.
Mom,
You look exactly the same, but like I don't know about this. You look so studious.
Oh, we have a special box for
Good.
everything else.
Aw, little Leon, he looks so cute. We got Watt. We got Robbie. I didn't know
need to
Robbie
have
ever played
Marcy.
football. And look, she's got me. Look at that curly hair I used to have.
Robbie looks so.
And we have Leon, Luke.
Look at Robbie. Robbie looks so scary.
Unboxing the wallet of Lily's life. Wow, these are some gems. I never knew Robbie played basketball. Wow. And is it funny we all have red on? Like all.
And red and blue. It's so weird.
Is it me? Wow. And look, this is Lily's business card from her restaurant, Brava. The food there was so good.
Remember that his nachos?
The best nachos, the best hummus, the best club sandwich, the best smoothies, Washington Cup.
Just to show them my high school.
Because I don't have anything like that. Well, before I embarked on this trip, before I came on this trip, I cleaned out my wallet because I got a new wallet.
Guess what I have for you? You're a nut.
Give me those stamp cards. Wow. The punch cards to our favorite organic juice place, City Beach. I actually went here right before I left. Lily gave me her punch cards. I am so lucky. And this all started because I gave Lily one of my business cards. Chloe Simone says. I wish I had what Luke got. I just got these potato chips. These are very... Mi bambino. These are like large rice. These are like large rice flour. Like large, really large pieces of cereal. We have just arrived in Rome and we gotta use the bathroom really bad. What do you think about this, Mom?
I'm pretty happy, but it was a rough ride here from Positano. Ooh, not for the faint.
Definitely the most expensive hotel.
I should have looked at myself.
Well, this is what you get. Get what you get. Don't try to fit.
I'm not.
Apparently, we got upgraded.
We got upgraded for what?
Tourists.
I think that you'd probably say that to everybody, right?
Thank you.
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Super fancy.
This is super fancy.
Wow. Look at this bed.
This would be our bed.
No, this is my bed. Thank you
you?
so much.
And the second key over here.
Okay, thank
Stefano will come with your luggage right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
It got stuck. Trying to get
Okay, go get it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Is this? Wait.
There's somebody in here. We saw how the man did it. Luke.
We are back in Rome, and again, I'm just blown away by the beauty of this
is my favorite
city. Yeah, I think Rome is just, I could definitely live here. And we feel so blessed to stay in the splendid Royal Hotel. Aw, thank you.
From Senegal.
Well, I've noticed that in Italy, they like to give. They are givers in Italy, and they just sent out this wonderful little plate of little bites, and I'm very excited to eat this.
Now I've been eating a lot of cannolis. Don't look too close. Dancing move.
Back that booty up.
I just accidentally dropped a very big, delicious Spanish olive, and it rolled on the floor. And I told you to just pick it up and throw it over the deck. We're on the 8th floor of a hotel in Rome. And then the girl said, "Oh yeah, and that's going to land on someone's head." And I said, "Well, that actually happened to me before, but it wasn't an olive; it was a bucket." You were with me, I think. It was somebody's wash water, and they threw it over their deck, over their thing, and it hit us in the head. Were you with me when that happened? I don't know where I was, but it did happen. I remember thinking, "Wow, it's water!" And somebody
Was it a
threw
lot
their,
of water?
It was a bucket. It just happened to hit me.
You know what they say, drop it in the bucket. Did you wash your hair afterwards?
It was just a little bit, because it only didn't hit me full on, but it was definitely somebody dumped over a bucket of water off of their balcony. It might have been in the French Quarter of New Orleans. It was somewhere where people had second and third floor buildings.
That's disgusting. And everyone has left. It's just me and my mom here. Lily and Luke left this morning. It was sad saying goodbye to them. But you know, life goes on and they have to get back to their lives and I have to get back to mine. But you know, it's always hard to say goodbye to Lily. Now my mom and I are headed to the airport and we have a long trip home. We have to take 2 flights, stay in a hotel, and another flight and a 2-hour car ride, and then we are home. So we've got a long couple of travel days ahead. But thank you to everyone who has watched my videos. This has been such an amazing trip. It's been so great to spend time with Lily and Luke and get some quality time with my mom and George, and it's just been an amazing time. So just thank you so much for watching these videos, and when I get home to Idaho, I'm gonna keep making these videos with Gigi and myself and my baby, and maybe Byron will be in them too. So just keep following along. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want, please follow me on Instagram too at Chloe Simone Says. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a great trip and I couldn't have done it without you. So I am headed off to the airport. Well, I'm just going downstairs to meet Gigi, and I am wearing my full Grace and Joy outfit. My pants are the Carly Leisure pant. They are available on our website. And my sweater, which is a great travel sweater. I love all of these colors. I've worn this the entire time. It is the Pastel Coatigan. It is by a great brand called Ivco, and it's all handmade in Serbia, and it's just a great brand that we carry at Grace and Joy, and you can shop this whole look at www.shopgraceandjoy.com.